Hey, what's up guys? JP here. Welcome back to my channel. Got a surprise for you guys. This morning I am cooking some breakfast on my Camp Chef Griddle. I'm building this outdoor kitchen here and I bought me a 2-burner stove. And today, this morning, I am cooking some breakfast. I am making pancakes, eggs, and potatoes. And we'll see how they come out. So far they look really, really good. Let's see if we can get this pancake flipped without tearing it up. There we go. Ooh, look at that. Man, that looks good. Put some eggs on here. Yes, sir. Just listen to the sizzle. Gonna drop me one more egg in here. Oh yeah, JP loves breakfast, that's for sure. But besides that, guys, this is it. You know, I'm just making some breakfast this morning for the family. Pancakes, eggs, and potatoes. Never goes wrong. This is my new Camp Chef Grill that I'm breaking in, and I seasoned it last week, and I made some semi-breakfast last week as well. But today I'm making full-blown breakfast. Pancakes, eggs, and potatoes. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button over there, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Besides that, I'll see you on the next cookout. You guys have a wonderful day.